Fall planting season is here, and I've got the best helper in the world to clear out this garden bed. We're making room for brand new veggies. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Pull this one out, pull it out. There's a lot of things we need to put this in the compost.
Yeah. Daddy, can I get this one out?
Let's get it out. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got it out. It's out. Let's get this stuff out.
I got one leaf out.
You got one leaf?
Yeah.
What that's gonna do with one leaf?
I got whole pile of leaves.
You got one pile of leaf?
No, a whole pile of leaves. Wait.
Good job.
Bye-bye, kids.
What you doing, Seja?
I'm making the soil. Dad, I found a worm.
What is this?
A worm.
It's wiggly? Okay, put it back in the soil. It's gonna be proteins for that. You scared of it?
No.
Okay, you ready to put the soil in there? Yeah, put this. It's your salt.
Yeah.
Bring it with your hand. Rub it with your hand.
This is soft soil.
It's soft soil?
Yeah.
Yeah, rub it in. And that's it for today. We cleared the bed and it's ready for fall planting.
Next time we will plant seeds.
See you in the next one, guys. Bye.